on the weekend on the K10. So we're just going to jump straight in because there's a lot of stuff there in this box that I've got. Many gifts, many things primarily for the engine. So we're kind of on the home straight for getting the engine into the car. This is all just, you know, a bunch of stuff like there's a clutch in there, there's a timing belt, there's an aux belt, there's leads, there's thermostats, just everything really. So I think what we'll first do is the most scary task is changing this timing belt and also the front oil seal. Just because I've noticed that it is a bit weepy around there, so I have a feeling that's kind of perished. I mean, it is nearly 4 years old, so yeah, without wasting any more time, I reckon we'll just crack the belt. Yeah, so as you can see, now this gear has come off, you can see this rubber gasket here, and at the bottom it's just caked in just oil, so this has clearly been slowly weeping away. So what we'll do is clean this all up, and I've got another one of these, so we'll take this one out, pop the new one in, put everything back together, and then hopefully that doesn't blow up my engine. Right, there we are. Timing belt is now all on, tensioners, the new one's on, that's tightened up. Yeah, it's looking alright. There's a bit of slack here, but I'm pretty sure that's how it was to begin with anyway, so I'm happy with all of that. So the next step is the main crank that goes here. We're going to give that a respray, just literally just like a black, you know, nothing interesting, just to make it look nice. And then we can put the cover over this, and then yeah, then we can move on to the next bit. There we go, timing cover is basically now in, so that's all good. Next we just need to get that crank painted, and then bolt this on here, and we should be good. Right, while we wait for the main crank to dry, what we'll do is we'll do the thermostat now. Right, now you can see I've got the engine crane lined up with the engine on the engine stand. It's been on there for many a month. We've now done the timing belt, the thermostat, and then just a few other small bits. Everything's basically done now. The only thing we need to do is the clutch, and that means taking it off the engine stand to get to the flywheel. We'll take the flywheel off, do the rear main seal, because I think that's leaking as well. So I've got a new one of them. So yeah, that's literally it. Once we take this off the engine crane, off the engine stand, sorry, chuck the clutch in, chuck the box in, and then it's just bolting on all of the, you know, the engine mounts, and this will be ready to go in. So we're not far off now. So now it's just to unbolt everything off the engine stand. So we'll give that a go now. Right, flywheel is off, and as you can see down here, there is it's just caked in oil. So this rear main seal is not doing its job, but luckily I've got a new one, so we'll take this one out, put the new one in, flywheel back on, clutch in, box on, job jobbed. Right, as you can see, the gearbox is now on, the start motor is now on. I've put some of the engine mounts on. Everything's basically good. We just put the actual, the pulley for the drive belt. That's now on. I mean, yeah, everything is now good to go back in the car. I need to give it a service. I need to change oil filter, spark plugs, everything like that. But all easy stuff. The main thing was just to clean this engine. Get the clutch in, get the box on, get everything nice and clean, all ready, and yeah, we're at that point now. All the engine mounts have been cleaned and they're on, and we're ready to go. So the next thing we'll be doing now is actually putting the engine in the car finally. Now I'll show putting this in. There we have it. The engine is now in the car after a lot of work and a lot of effort. Yeah, it's finally in. So yeah, now this is actually finally getting to it. Yeah, I think this will be it for this video. It's only going to be a short one. I just wanted to cover basically putting the engine in. So essentially what I'm going to be doing for the rest of today is nothing really that interesting. I'm probably going to be bolting up the gear linkage. You know, that's literally just under the car. There's 2 brackets I've got bolt on. Test that the gear sticks, changing the gears, test that, you know, when you turn it over it's turning the actual gearbox, drive shafts, and then probably do the brakes. I've shown doing brakes before so many times, so I'm not going to bother because it's boring, but yeah, get on with the brakes, and then next time hopefully we'll be continuing to work, you know, on the engine. I plan to do all the servicing bits, so spark plugs, oil, coolant, get the radiator in, get everything plumbed in around it, get all the coolant lines in, all the wires plugged in, you know, everything like that. So that will be next time's task. So yeah, guess we'll see you on the next one.